House with Kay and Tom. Today I'm just going to fix some very simple strawberry shortcake. What we're going to use, I got some strawberries the other day at the grocery store. I have 4 cupcakes. I have sugar. I use Splenda. A lot of people don't care for Splenda, but since Tom was a diabetic, we always use Splenda, and I've still stuck to it with most stuff. So today I'll be using Splenda, but I just wanted to tell you that you could use sugar, whatever is your preference. And of course we've got to top it with some whipped topping. So it's very simple to make, so let's get started. First thing what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take all my strawberries, put them in a bowl, and run some water over them. Wash them a little bit. And I shall take another bowl. Let me get this out of the way right quick. And all you do is you cut off the green part, the cap. Boy, these are some really big, nice ones. Now, if you get one like this one that's a little mushy on this side, I just always trim that off a little bit. Some people don't, but I just do. So it's your preference. And we're going to get these cut up right quick. And with strawberries in, they actually had Strawberry Festival down here, I think 2 weeks ago. I didn't get a chance to go, but it's a very popular thing in Florida is go to the Strawberry Festival in Plant City. I actually think that's about an hour and a half from here, I think. Okay, I now have the caps cut off of the strawberries in a bowl. And all you have to do now is like dice them up a little bit. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This is quick. You've got somebody coming over and you say, what am I going to have for dessert or to help entertain them? I really don't know. I'm sure there are people that do not like strawberries and cannot eat strawberries. I don't think there's nobody like that in my family. So we'll just cut these up right quick. I hope everybody's having a good day. It's quit raining here. And it's really a beautiful day outdoors. I already cut the grass for this week. Matter of fact, it was the first time it's been cut since last year. I really think I had more weeds than I had grass this go around, but with all this rain, now we are definitely be growing very quickly. I don't know why I don't particularly like that one. Let's lay that one aside. Like I say, if you see one that's really mushy or looks bruised or anything, I just don't use those. I'm not saying they're bad or anything. They probably just got squished somewhere along the line. I try to just see if I can go around them. And it really doesn't take a whole lot of these to make a pretty dish. Okay, we got the strawberries cut up. I'm really just cutting up enough for these 4 dessert shells that I've got. This is what I'm talking about, if you can see it. See how it looks like it's just been mashed. So let's just lay that one aside too. When I wash them, I usually go through them and take out the ones like that. But I see that I missed 2 of them. Okay. I say that and there's another one pops up there. Okay, I've got the strawberries cut up. And as I said, we use Splenda. You can use sugar. This is 1/4 a cup of Splenda, and I just put it on there, and I squeeze them up. The one good thing about Splenda is that it dissolves so quick that this will be ready to eat just as soon as you want to eat them. I do believe that's real good. Okay, we have now got our strawberries cut up, sugar's put on them. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try this out. They call them shells. You can buy them and they'll call them actual cupcakes, but these had the name of shells on them. So I'm just going to put one right there, and we're just going to take a spoonful of our strawberries. I like the juice. In the dish, we're going to put a little Cool Whip on it. And we're going to give it a shot. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Very, very tasty, quick, and easy. Just a simple strawberry shortcake.